students, in this video I explain you the Maths 2A most IMP 2 marks problems with the solutions, and these are the 2 mark sums from the chapter Methods of Dispersion. Already I uploaded 5 videos of the Maths 2A most IMP 2 marks problems, and the students who will follow these videos will definitely get very good marks in the public examination. So I hope all of you use these videos to get the good marks. These problems are the very important sums and most frequently repeated questions in the previous years, in the previous exam papers. So the first question, find the mean deviation from the mean for the following data 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 12, 16. Find the mean deviation from the mean. First I write the given data. Given data is 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 12, 16. So to find the mean deviation from the mean, first of all we want the mean value, and mean value is equal to formula sum of the observations by number of observations. Here n is equals to total observations, that is 8. N is equal to 8 means here we have 8 observations, that is n is equals to 8, and mean is equal to formula sum of observations by number of observations, that is just adding all the observations here. 6 plus 10 plus 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 4 plus 12 plus 16 by total number of observations is equal to 8 here. That is adding all these numbers, then we get 80. 80 by 8 is equals to 10. Therefore mean value is equals to 10. Mean means this is the notation x bar. X bar is equal to 10. Now taking the deviations. Now the deviations, modulus of xi minus x bar is equal to, that is modulus of xi minus x bar means modulus of observation minus mean value, that is 6 minus 10. First value observation minus mean value, next value 7 minus 10 observation minus mean value. So these are the values which are nothing but observation minus mean value. First value 6 minus 10, next value 7 minus 10, next value 10 minus 10, next value 12 minus 10. Like that we take all the values, 13 minus 10, 4 minus 10 and 12 minus 10 and 16 minus 10. Just we take all values like that, and this is equal to 6 minus 10 minus 4, but under modulus that becomes plus value. 7 minus 10 plus 3, 0, 2, 3, 6, 2, 6. So these are the values, just taking the subtractions. Therefore mean deviation from the mean is equals to, this is the formula, mean deviation from the mean is equals to, the formula is sigma modulus of xi minus x bar by n. That is just adding all these values, summation of all these values, that is 4 plus 3 plus 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 whole by n is equals to 8. Now adding all these numbers, then we get 26 by 8. So 26 by 8 is equal to 13 by 4. Now taking the division, then we get the value 3.25. That's all. This is the answer. Next problem, find the mean deviation from the median for the following data 4, 6, 7, 10, 12, 12, 13, 16. Find the mean deviation from the median. The last problem is find the mean deviation from the mean. This is from the median. So first I take the given data here. Given data is, writing the observations 4, 6, 7, 10, 12, 12, 13, 16. So first of all, the first step is we have to write the given observations in the either ascending order or descending order to find the median value. So clearly here, see that clearly here all the observations are in the ascending order. So writing the ascending order is, first of all we have to take the ascending order to solve the problem, but here the given observations are already in the ascending order, so taking that order only here, that is ascending order is 4, 6, 7, 10, 12, 12, 13, 16. First of all, the first step is we have to take the given observations in the ascending order, and then we take the median value. So here median value is nothing but the just taking the mid value of the given observation. See here, but here we have two mid values. When we have the two mid values, just simply take the average of the two mid values. When we have only one mid value, then we take that value itself is the median. Here we have two middle values. Therefore, median is equals to just taking the average of the two middle values, that is equals to 10 plus 12 by 2 is equals to 22 by 2, that is equals to 11. So this is the median value. If suppose we have only one middle value, then we take that value itself is the median value. But here we have two middle values. So we take the average of the two values to get the median value. So this is the median value. Now the next step is modulus of xi minus m. Same procedure, here we take the median value, that is absolute differences. That is 4 minus 11. First observation minus median. Next one 6 minus 11. Next one 7 minus 11. Next one 10 minus 11. Next one 12 minus 11. Next one 12 minus 11. Next one 13 minus 11. And the last one 16 minus 11. Just taking the deviations, which is equals to 7, 5, 4 under modulus, that is negative signs becomes a positive. 7, 5, 4, 1, 1, 1, 2, 5. These are the deviations. Therefore, mean deviation from the median is equals to. Therefore, mean deviation from the median is equals to. The formula is equal to sigma modulus xi minus m by n. That is just adding all these values. Here also n is equals to 8. Here we have 8 observations, means we take that n is equals to 8. Here also we take that n is equals to 8. That is, now adding all these values here, 7 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5 whole by 8. And this is equals to 26 by 8. That is equals to 13 by 4. That is equal to 3.25. So you get the same answer. Here we solved the same question in the two methods. Now these two are the very important 2 marks per plus and most frequently repeated sums.